Hey, buenos dias, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be real short and sweet. We're just going to go over how much I ended up selling the Lowrider S4. So I'll go over what I paid for it, what I sold it for, and if I was able to make any money, and or if I lost any money, and if so, how much.
Yikes.
For starters, I just got to do some wheelie practice. Alright, so the Lowrider S 2017 FXDLS, if you're not familiar with the motorcycle, you'll have to check out some of my other videos. I'll show a couple clips of it as well. Do a quick video first. But it's basically the unicorn of the Harley Davidson Dynas. They only made it from 2016 to 2017, and then they DC'd the Dyna line, and you couldn't find the Lowrider S anymore. They did just release a 2020 Softail Lowrider S that's now available, but it's not the Dyna. Anyway, these motorcycles were going for upwards of $20,000 to $25,000 bone stock from the dealership. They were asking way over MSRP after they DC'd them. I found one in Texas. I flew out there. I paid $18,500 cold hard cash for this motorcycle. I knew I was paying a bit of a premium, but this thing had well over $10,000 in upgrades. If you don't dig the Dyna club style bikes, you can't really appreciate it, but it had the bars, it had extenders, it had aftermarket swing arm, chain conversion, had the fender full conversion kit, it had exhaust, it had upgraded pistons, cams. I'm trying to think what else. I mean, it had a ton of money dumped into it. So for me, when I found the bike, it was everything that I was looking for. Flew out there, bought it, brought it home. I plan on hanging on to it and keeping it forever, but it didn't take long for me to realize that the way I ride and how much money I had into that motorcycle, it just wasn't going to work. I couldn't justify beating up the bike, and I couldn't justify it just sitting in the garage collecting dust. It was a super nice motorcycle. Anyway, so sadly, after a lot of back and forth, I finally decided I was going to have to sell the motorcycle. And so I posted it and I listed it for $18,500. And honestly, I didn't expect to sell it fast, and I didn't necessarily expect to get the $18,500 out of it. It's a very niche market motorcycle. And as a side note, that's the most I've ever spent on a motorcycle, almost the most I've ever spent on a vehicle, period. Just to put it in perspective, the bike, brand new off the lot, probably only cost about $17,500 thereabouts. For that price, you could get a brand new FTR 1200. You can get some pre-owned Road Glides, Ultra Glides, Road Kings, full baggers. You can get 1 or 2 Gold Wings. You could get like 2 or 3 Yamaha FC09s. You could get like 6 Honda Groms. I mean, you can get a lot of motorcycles for what I had into that one motorcycle. Oh man, I'm really struggling. So anyway, I posted the bike for $18,500, did a video basically announcing I was going to sell the motorcycle, and I had a lot of people hitting me up, surprisingly. And long story short, a guy flew in from California, checked out the motorcycle, and the final sales price, the offer that I accepted, was for $17,500. Sorry, I'm winded. So I paid $18,500. Registration was like $350. I'll get a little bit of that back, prorated, and then I probably had about $500 into plane ticket, gas, and everything going out there. So all in, I had close to $19,500 tied up in the motorcycle. I lost close to $2,000 overall on that deal. Again, it wasn't one that I purchased with the intent to turn around and flip and make money on it. I knew when I purchased it, it was a premium. More or less, I was paying a premium to get the specific type of bike. I knew it was a niche market, but it was what I was looking for. To the right person, there is value in that motorcycle, but it just comes down to the right person finding it. So there you have it, you guys. 17.5 on the Dyna Lowrider S. Leave a comment below. What do you guys think? It had around 9,000 miles plus or minus, I think, when I ended up selling it. Alright, there you have it, John's Moto Garage. If you like the content, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe. You can hit me on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. Shout out again to the patrons. I'm going to see if I can get at least one decent circle wheelie. It's been way too long, and I just want to get out and practice. Beautiful weather out. Until the next time, ride safe, have fun, and adios.